Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Melie White Cleanser. Melie White Cleanser is a super ecclaircissant lotion cleanser that effectively works to clear any scars, black spots on your face, knees, elbows. Other tough areas also include knuckles, toes. It is richly formulated with vitamin E and fruit acids. This cleanser will give your face and neck a clear uniform skin without and spots. What we love the most about Melie White Cleanser is how it is able to bring out dirt from your skin, no matter how much you wash your face with soap. It makes your skin very squeaky clean. If you have dead skin cells on your face, get ready for massive peeling, because Melie White Cleanser will exfoliate your face with reckless abandon. Your facial skin will first of all peel and then it will become fresh, smooth and clear afterwards. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.